Hello everyone, dear students. Today we shall have exercise based on models. The topic model we have already covered, and today we shall have practice exercise based on this topic, that is models. So see the first, you obey the laws, and in the bracket the word is given compulsion. Compulsion means vivashta, majburi. You have to do something. You are not willing, but you will have to do. It is obligatory and you will have to do it. So what will you use? Must, M-U-S-T, something which has to be done at any cost. All right. So you must obey the laws. We must obey the laws. Next, you work hard. Advice, for advice, as I told you earlier, we use modern should, S-H-O-U-L-D. You should work hard. It is my advice. Dash, you prosper in life. Wish, and whenever you wish someone, you always use model may, M-A-Y. May you prosper in life. May you have long happy life. All right. May you succeed in exam. So for wish we use model may, M-A-Y. Next, he not speak against me, and in the bracket the word given courage. He not speak against me. For courage, for daring, I told you the model dare, D-A-R-E. And in a statement, dare model is always used in negative sense. So dare is followed by not, and not is already given in the sentence. So he dare not speak against me. All right. Next sentence. Run slow, lest you fall down. And in the bracket, the word is given purpose. Run slow, धीरे चलो, lest means कहीं ऐसा ना हो you fall down, तुम गिर जाओ. So with last model comes should, S-H-O-U-L-D. This student always keep in mind that last, L-E-S-T, and model should, S-H-O-U-L-D. Last and should always go hand in hand. All right, means last and should use all together. All right, next, I help you in your career. In the bracket, willingness. It is my willingness. It shows my determination that I help you. I will help you. As I told you, for first person I and we, whenever we use model will, W-I-L-L, it shows willingness, it shows determination, it shows promise. So here, I will help you in your career means I am determined that I will help you, and it's willingness. Next, we give him a warm reception, and the bracket promise. So we is also first person. So with first person we or I, whenever we use model will, it shows willingness, promise, determination. So it is promise. So for promise we will use will. We will give him a warm reception. All right. Next, he drive a car. In the bracket, the word is given skill. And to show the skill, the model which is used, and that is can, C-A-N. He can drive a car. वो कार चला सकता है. Means he knows how to drive a car. Next, you come on time. In the bracket, it is compulsory. It is obligatory that you must come on time. So whenever it is compulsory, it is necessary, it is obligatory, you always use model must, M-U-S-T. So you must come on time. Everyone grow old. In the bracket, the word given inevitability. What do you mean by inevitability? Something that is bound to happen. Something that is inescapable. You cannot escape it. You cannot avoid it. Something that is going to happen. Something that is bound to happen. And for such inevitability, we always use model must, means something that is going to take place at any cost. So for that we use must. Everyone must grow old. Next sentence. Students use mobile in college premises. In the bracket, the word given prohibition. Prohibition means restriction. Something must not be done. Nishedh. So students must not use mobile in college premises. ऑलराइट, स्टूडेंट्स को मोबाइल फोन्स कॉलेज प्रीमाइसेस में यूज नहीं करने हैं. Students must not use mobile in college premises. See, as prohibition is given in the bracket, so for prohibition and restriction, we use model must, M-U-S-T, must followed by not, N-O-T. So we shall use here, students must not use mobile in college premises. Next, we help the needy, in the bracket, strong moral duty. The sense of morality comes from within. ओके, एक ऐसा मॉरल सेंस होता है, ऐसा वैल्यू का सेंस होता है that comes from within. We need not be reminded by someone else that we should do this and this. No, these are the things that come from within us. So for this strong morality we use ought to. We ought to help the needy. हमें ज़रूरतमंद लोगों की हेल्प करनी चाहिए. This sense must come from within. All right. So for strong moral duty, we use model ought to. O-U-G-H-T-T-O-2. Ought to. Next, in my childhood, I go for a walk daily, and in the bracket, it is given past habit. For past habit, we use model would. W-O-U-L-D. In my childhood, I would go for a walk daily. मैं अपने बचपन में रोज मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए जाया करता था. रोज वॉक के लिए जाया करता था. And there is another model for this. In my childhood, I used to. U-S-E-D-T-O-2. In my childhood, I used to go for a walk daily. So this model is also correct. So you can use would, W-O-U-L-D, or you can use here used to, U-S-E-D-T-O-2. Both are right.